Runway Gen 3 has finally dropped, and well, it's fair to say that with this AI video generator, filmmaking has just taken another major leap forward. We've all had our minds blown by the likes of Sora, Kling AI, and Luma Dream Machine, but let us tell you this, Runway AI Gen 3 Alpha is in a league of its own. It's like comparing a bicycle to a rocket ship. We're going to dive deep into what this AI wizard can do, showing you mind-boggling examples that will leave you speechless. And later in the video, we'll take you on a guided tour of the tool itself, revealing all the juicy features that will unlock your inner filmmaker. So grab your popcorn and get ready for a wild ride. Gen 3 Alpha was built from the ground up for creatives like you, making it a master at understanding and generating an insane range of styles and artistic vibes. Runway AI is calling this a major leap forward in fidelity, consistency, and motion compared to Gen 2, and after seeing it in action, we're nodding our heads in agreement. It's like they've given the AI a superpower upgrade. Not only can it handle a wider range of styles, but it can also generate more complex and detailed scenes. Imagine creating anything from a hyper-realistic image to a mind-bending abstract animation. Gen 3 can handle it all. And the best part, the results are incredibly consistent. No more wonky animations or blurry frames. Runway Gen 3 delivers smooth, high-quality videos every time. It's like having a team of professional animators at your fingertips. They're even saying it's a step towards building a general world model. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But in simple terms, it's an AI system that can create its own little world inside its digital brain and predict what will happen next. This is the same magic that makes Sora so mind-blowingly good. Think of it like this. In Sora, you can create a scene of a person walking down a street, and it can predict how that person will move, what objects they might interact with, and even what the weather might be like. This ability to understand and simulate a world gives Sora a level of realism and coherence that other AI models simply couldn't match. Runway Gen 3 is taking the first steps towards this same level of understanding, and it can already generate scenes with a surprising amount of depth and detail. This means that the videos you create with Gen 3 will feel more natural and believable, and you'll be able to tell more complex stories with your AI creation. Runway Gen 3 videos are about 10 seconds long, which is the longest we've seen straight out of the box. No need for those fancy extension tricks. And the level of detail and fidelity. Let's just say it's so crisp and realistic, you might just mistake it for the real deal. Take this example of this astronaut running through an alley in Rio de Janeiro. Truly incredible, right? But that's not all. Gen 3 also shines in terms of its ability to capture movement. The animations are fluid and lifelike, with characters that move smoothly and naturally. It's like watching a real-life scene unfold right before your eyes. Check this cabin view from a train traveling through a European cityscape. Feels like you're driving the damn train yourself. And the level of detail is simply astonishing. Every hair, every wrinkle, every texture is rendered with incredible precision. It's like the AI has a microscopic eye for detail, capturing every nuance of the scene. This underwater suburban neighborhood lined with coral is just beautiful. What's super exciting for AI filmmaking is the fact that Gen 3 Alpha excels at creating human characters with realistic emotions, actions, and expressions. Check this footage of a woman on a train. Look at the detail. Every bit as good as those early Sora examples we saw. Most of the examples that we've seen so far are text-to-video AI. But there's way more. Runway AI isn't just a one-trick pony. It can also transform images into mind-blowing videos and even manipulate existing videos with jaw-dropping results. And if you're a control freak, we won't judge. You'll be thrilled to know that Runway is giving us access to their awesome suite of controls from Gen 2. This includes motion brush, advanced camera controls, and all-powerful director mode. It's like having a film crew at your beck and call, ready to bring your creative vision to life. But that's not all. Runway is also giving us access to a range of other powerful tools that will give you even more control over your videos. For example, you'll be able to use the masking tool to isolate specific areas of your video and apply effects or animations to them. This is perfect for creating custom effects or transitions. You'll also be able to use the keyframing tool to create complex animations that can be applied to any object in your video. This is great for creating realistic character movements or dynamic camera shots. And finally, you'll be able to use the time remapping tool to slow down or speed up sections of your video, or even reverse the playback direction. With all of these tools at your disposal, you'll be able to create videos that are as complex and sophisticated as you can imagine. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting out, Runway Gen 3 will help you bring your vision to life. And the fun doesn't stop there. Runway is also working on even more tools that will give you even greater control over your videos. These tools will allow you to fine-tune every aspect of your video, from the overall structure to the smallest details. For example, you'll be able to use the new Style Transfer tool to apply the style of one video to another. This is great for creating unique and eye-catching effects. You'll also be able to use the new Motion Tracking tool to track objects in your video and apply effects or animations to them. This is perfect for creating dynamic and interactive videos. And you'll be able to use the new Audio Editing tool to add music, sound effects, and voiceovers to your videos. This is great for creating immersive and engaging videos that tell a story. And now, for the cherry on top. Runway is opening up the door for full customization. This means you can train Gen 3 to recognize and generate specific characters and locations. Imagine having your own AI-powered actor or a virtual set that you can use over and over again. It's like having a personal Hollywood studio right on your computer. This level of customization is truly groundbreaking. It means you can create your own unique style and aesthetic, and even develop your own characters and world. You can also use it to create consistent branding for your videos, or to create videos that are tailored to a specific audience. The possibilities are truly endless. With full customization, you can use Gen 3 to create anything you can imagine. Whether you want to create a short film, a music video, or a commercial, Gen 3 can help you bring your vision to life. So enough chatter. Let's go ahead and check out the interface. From the home page, you'll find all the various Runway AI tools. Honestly, there's so many features within this model, we couldn't begin to cover them all in one video. So let's just cover some of the main tools on offer. You've got text to image where you can describe your shot and even upload a starter image. From here, you can play around with camera controls, pan, zoom, tilt, etc. Then there's resolution settings and prompt weight, which gives you the ability to drag the bar left or right, dependent on whether you want to create output that's true to your prompt, or have the AI run wild and do its own thing with your prompt. There's style presets, like cinematic, cartoon, graphic novel, and a whole lot more. Or you can even create your own custom style. You'll also find various aspect ratio options to choose from. Then there's video to video, which allows you to use a starter video of your own to create output. This too has presets that you can choose to alter your footage, and again, a style strength slider. When first playing around with Runway Gen 3, we'd recommend placing the slider all the way left. We've even got an AI image generator built in here, so let's see whether this puppy can challenge the likes of Leonardo AI, Stable Diffusion 3, and other generative AI tools. We're going to enter our prompt, a dystopian urban city landscape with stray dogs, and see what happens. Wow. These look pretty cool, and you get 4 options to choose from. And if you hover over an image and click on the 3 dots right here, you get a whole load of further options to play with. Anyway, there's a ton of tools to play with. Just head to the home page and scroll down. Seriously, the features in Runway AI Gen 3 Alpha are mind-blowing. Image variation, super slow-mo, depth of field, upscale. It's all here. This has got to be one of the top AI tools out there. But if you want to compare it to another AI video generator, check out this video on Haiper AI. So team, let's hear your comments on Runway AI. Is this one of the best AI tools available right now?